हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो टर्मिनोलॉजी के पार्ट 3 है। तो एक बात याद रखो, एक अच्छी मेडिकल स्टाफ होने के लिए आपको बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बोथ प्रैक्टिकल एज वेल एज थ्योरी। ये टर्मिनोलॉजी आपको बोथ प्रैक्टिकल और थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज देगा। अगर आपकी इंटरेस्ट है तो बहुत कुछ सीख पाओगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक रिक्वेस्ट है, वीडियो लास्ट तक देखना और कमेंट करना। So number 1, gag. Gag is a dental device to keep the mouth open. Galactosemia. Intolerance of milk soon after bath due to a deficiency of an enzyme galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase in the liver. Gangrene. Gangrene refers to the death of the body tissue due to a lack of blood flow or bacterial infection. Gastrostomy. Surgical creation of an artificial opening into the stomach. Gabbage. Forced feeding through the stomach tube. Genital. Pertaining to the reproductive organ. Germicide. An agent that destroys the pathogenic microorganisms. Glomerulonephritis. Group of kidney diseases involving the glomeruli. Glycemia. Presence of glucose in blood. Glycosuria. Presence of glucose in the urine. Goiter. Enlargement of the thyroid gland visible as a swelling on the neck. Gonad. A sex gland such as testis and ovary. Gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a common human sexually transmitted disease caused by bacterium Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Grafting. Implanting any tissue or organ. Gynecology. Study of disease peculiar to women, especially those of genital tract and breasts. Hematemesis. The vomiting of blood. Hematoma. A collection of blood inside the body caused by bleeding from an injured vessel. Hematuria. Passage of blood in urine. Hemodialysis. A dialysis carried out in renal failure in which blood is passed through a machine and purified before being returned to the body. Hemoglobin. An iron containing pigment in the red blood cells. Hemolysis. The breakdown of red blood cells. Hemophilia. An inherited coagulation defect characterized by a permanent tendency to hemorrhage. Hemophobia. Morbid fear of seeing bleeding. Hemoptysis. Coughing of blood or blood stained sputum. Hemorrhage. A severe bleeding. Hemorrhoids means piles. Hemostasis. Arrest of bleeding or of blood circulation. Halitosis. Unpleasant breath. Hansen's disease, also known as leprosy. Heart block. A defect or condition of impulse generate at SA node in the ventricles. Hemiplegia. Paralysis of one side of the body. hepatic, pertaining to the liver. Hepatitis, inflammation of the liver. Hepatocyte, a liver cell. Hepatomegaly, enlargement of liver. Hydrocephalus, distension of the cerebral ventricles by increased cerebrospinal fluid. Hydrostatic, pertaining to the pressure of fluids or to their properties when in equilibrium. Hymen, a thin membranous ring surrounding the opening of vagina which gets torn during fast sexual intercourse by the use of tampon. Hyperemia, presence of an increased amount of blood in a part of organ. Hyperbilirubinemia, an increased concentration of bilirubin in the blood which leads to jaundice. Hypercalcemia, an abnormally high level of calcium in blood. Hypercytosis, abnormally increased number of cells. Hyperemesis, excessive vomiting. Hyperglycemia, an abnormally high level of glucose in the body. Hyperkalemia, raised level of potassium ions in the circulating blood. Hyperkinesia, excessive activity or motor function. Hyperlipidemia, increased amount of circulating fatty acids, triglycerides and cholesterol. Hypermenorrhea, excessive profuse or long menstruation. Hyponatremia, an abnormally low concentration of sodium ions in circulating blood. Hyposmia, diminished sense of smell. Hypospadias, a development defect in which urethra opens on the upper surface of the penis. Hypotension, an abnormally low blood pressure. Hypothermia, a dangerous fall in body temperature below normal level, that is 35 degrees Celsius or less. Hypoxemia, a decrease in partial pressure of oxygen below normal or expected value. Hypoxia, an inadequate level of oxygen in the tissues, blood or air. Hysterectomy, surgical removal of the uterus. Hysteria, the conversion of mental or emotional illness into physical symptoms. Idiopathic means undetermined origin. Imbalance, without equality. Immune means resistance to a disease. Immunity, a state of resistance to a disease through the defense activities of the immune system. Immunization, the process of inducing immunity as a preventive measure against specific infectious diseases. Immunosuppressant, a substance decreasing immune response. Impalpable means which is not felt. Implant, to insert or graft a natural or artificial material into the body surgically. Impotence, inability to achieve adequate for the successful completion of intercourse. Incision, a cord produced by sharp instrument. Incompatibility, quality of not being suitable for mixing. Incontinence, inability of body to control the evacuative function of urination or defecation. Indication means a directive sign. Indigestion, common disorder producing nausea, vomiting, heartburn and abdominal pain. Infraction, the formation of an infract. Infract, an area of necrosis due to deficient blood supply. Infection, the invasion of the body by microorganisms that produce and multiply, causing disease. Infective, capable of producing infection. Infertile means sterility. Infestation, presence of animal parasite on the skin or hair or worms inside the body. Infiltrate, to penetrate a tissue to filter into. Inflammation, a bodily response to injury, infection and destruction. Infrequent means occurring rarely. Infusion, the introducing of a fluid, drug or nutrient into a blood vessel or body cavity. Inguinal, pertaining to the groin. Inhalation, the act of taking air or other substances into the lungs. Inhale, to breathe in. Injection, the act of introduction of a drug into the body from a syringe through a needle. Insomnia, inability in getting sleep. Instillation, administration of liquid drop by drop. Intoxication, state of being intoxicated by a drug. Intraperitoneal, administration of drugs by peritoneal cavity. Intraosseous, administration of drugs by bone. Intrathecal, administration of drugs by spinal canal. Intravenous, administration of drugs by veins. Intubation, the introduction of a tube into any hollow organ. Irrigation, cleansing an area by flushing it with a stream of water or other fluid. Ischemia, deficiency of blood supply to an organ or tissue. Isolate, to separate from others. Isolation, the process of isolating. Itching, an unpleasant cutaneous sensation caused by scratching the skin. Jaundice, yellowish discoloration of the conjunctiva, sclera, mucus due to deposition of bile. Jejunitis, inflammation of the jejunum. Kalemia, presence of potassium in the blood. Keratitis, inflammation of the cornea. Keratolgia, pain in cornea. Keratoacidosis, increased ketone bodies in the body. Ketonemia, an excess of ketone bodies in the blood. Ketonuria, presence of ketone bodies in the urine. Ketosis, an abnormal accumulation of ketone bodies in the blood and tissues. Koilonychia, dystrophy of nails, spoon-like nails. Koplik spot, small bright red spot with a minute white speck in the center on buccal and inguinal mucosa noted in the measles. Kussmaul's respiration, air hunger characterized by deep and rapid respiration. Kyphosis, abnormally increased convex curvature of the thoracic spine. Laceration means a turn. Laparo means abdomen. Laparoscopy, examination of the interior of the abdominal cavity by a laparoscope. Laparotomy, a surgical incision to open the abdomen. Laryngospasm, spasm of the laryngeal muscles. Laryngitis, inflammation of the mucosa lining larynx that causes hoarseness. Laryngotomy, surgical incision of the larynx. Lavage, the washing out of a hollow cavity. Lesion, a circumscribed area of pathologically altered tissue. Leukocyte, a white blood cell. Leukoma, a dense white corneal opacity. Leukopenia, a condition with diminished number of circulating white blood cells. Leukemia, a form of cancer characterized by abnormal leukocytes. Libido means sexual desire. Ligation, the process of tying of a structure. Limb means extremity. Lingual, relating to the tongue. Lithiasis, formation of calculi. Lithotomy, surgical removal of a stone. Lockjaw, painful spasm of the masseter muscle with stiffness of the jaw noted in the tetanus. Lordosis, abnormal increase in the anterior curvature or saddle back. Lymphangitis, inflammation of lymphatic vessels. Macule, circumscribed area of variable size on the skin with an alteration in color. Malaise means uneasiness. Melena, stool with blood. Malformation means deformity. Malignancy, a neoplasm or a cancerous tumor that is life-threatening. Manifestation, sign and symptoms. Manipulation, any manual procedure by hand. Manometer, an instrument for determining liquid or gaseous pressure. Mastectomy, surgical removal of all part of the breast as treatment of breast cancer. Mastoidectomy, excision of mastoid cells. Mastoiditis, inflammation of the air cells of mastoid process. Mastorrhagia, bleeding from the breast. Megacolon, extreme dilation of the colon. melalgia, pain in the limbs. Menarche, onset or beginning of the menstruation. Meninges, membranes of the brain and spinal cord. Meningitis, inflammation of the meninges. Menopause, the cessation of menstrual activity which occurs between age 45 and 50. Menorrhagia, excessive or prolonged menstrual bleeding. Menses, the monthly flow of menstrual blood from the uterus. Menstruation, cyclic endometrial shedding and discharge of bloody fluid from the uterus, and it occurs at approximately 4 weeks interval. Metabolism, the process of transforming foodstuffs into tissue elements. Metastasis, distal spread of a malignant cells through the blood or lymphatic vessel. Metritis, inflammation of the uterus. Migration, passing from place to place, any disease or symptoms. Milking, removal of contents of a tubular structure by pressing the fingers along it. Muscles, tissue composed of contractile cells of fibers that causes movement of an organ. Myelography, X-ray to the demonstration spinal subarachnoid space. Myomectomy, surgical removal of a myoma, specifically of a uterine myoma. Myopathy, any abnormality of the muscular tissue, especially involving the skeletal muscle. Myopia means nearsightedness. So for today this much. Thank you.